Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and today look what I have. This is the Umburry coin taken that I have here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what do we have here, because this is a pretty neat one. This is a haptic coin, which means that it has some haptic feedback to it. Because you see, this is a beautiful one. I mean, just look at the machining that went on into this surface over here. It's fantastic. You can see this little fella went to camping and chopped some wood with some axe and made a fire and just was sleeping in the woods overnight, and all of a sudden an alien space craft came and abducted him, and he's actually abducting him to some other interesting places. So very, very nice scene. If you turn it around, you're gonna see on the back that there's kind of like the alien probably you know, riding, I don't know how to say, the UFO, the space ship, and you have some really, really intricate work done. Like, absolutely, the detail is just fantastic, guys. Look at that. There's a lot of things going on. Like, look at this, for example. Looks like, I don't know, an octopus with some eyes and a reverse cross in the forehead. I mean, it's the level of detail is impressive, like seriously impressive. There's some nice jimping, I would say, nice knurling around the two sides of the coin, because this coin is spinning like that, okay? And I was saying, you know, this is a haptic coin because it has a haptic feedback to it. So this is rotating, and you can, you're not, it's tough like to separate this, these two sides like in the resting state, let's say. But as you rotate, you're gonna notice that there are some spots where the coin just sits, and if you pull it apart right in between the two resting states, you're gonna be able to pull this apart. And then you're gonna notice that inside you have 6 magnets on each side, and you have this ring with roller bearings caged into this steel cage, and which is perfectly fitting in this bearing track in each one of the sides. And then you just close it and it's gonna be ready to go like that. So that's the purpose of this toy. It's spinning like that. And because of the magnets positioned on the inside are going to create some force, like repulsive force, and when you, which is like this, you see, it's very easy to open, but in the resting state, you can't really, I mean, you can open, but it's requiring a lot of force. But as you do that, there's this really, really neat sound that is being generated by the coin. So you have two options basically here. You can just do like a very smooth and almost inaudible sound. You can avoid annoying people like just by squeezing it a little bit more and just giving it a turn like that. So you're gonna feel the magnets on the inside, and that's like very, very pleasant sensation to your hand that is gonna be transferred to your brain, of course. But you can also have the option of being loud just by pressing the edge so that the coin is just lifted halfway through like that, and then it's just gonna be continuing spinning and smashing up against the other side of the coin, therefore producing this really, really cool, in my opinion, sound. It's fantastic. So to give you a sense of the dimension, this guy has a diameter of I would say 6, around 1.6 inches, has a nice weight to it. It feels really good. I think this one is made of brass, and it's gonna weight 2.33 ounces, so very cool weight in the pocket and in the hand. For example, this one, it's also another Umburry coin. This is the Timascus version. Very different feel, a little bit different sound, and of course different look, but of course it's going to be the same size. This is another haptic coin. Just to show you for size comparison, this is a Lautier Sam fidget spinner, so a little bit smaller than that. You can check, for example, this is the Muji capsule spinner, of course bigger, and another couple options I want to show you guys. This is the TK EDC slider, Bear edition, of course. Another one, this is the Hearthstone version 1, that is also like something like it's like an haptic coin, but a little bit different. And just another one I want to show you guys here. This is the Bulletproof Slider, also magnets on the inside. This is zirconium, and you have an idea of the overall size of this little fella here, because it's very cool. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic in your pocket. The carving, engraving, machining going on is done in a way so that you have some pretty cool texture, and it's grippy, and you're gonna be spending a lot of time if you have this guy in your hand, and you're just gonna be just doing that. So I mean, this is a really cool one. It looks really good, it sounds fantastic, in the hand feels good, there's the right weight to it. I mean, guys, that's a cool one. So it's gonna be around $100 if I'm not mistaken, something like that. Usually it's sold out, but it's I love this one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.